Alright guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you this particular bot that made $50,000 from $1,000 within a space of approximately 6 months or even less than it. I am going to backtest this particular bot and give it only $1,000. Let's see what it is going to be making for the year, and I am going to be testing it with this particular year we are, which is 2024, right from January to this particular extent. Let's check whether this bot is true. I want you to stick around with me as I backtest this bot from January down to this point we are. And the sweet part of this particular thing is that I'm going to be giving you guys this particular bot as a bonus. Okay, so at the last part of this video I am going to be telling you guys how to get this particular bot as a bonus. Without talking too much, let us get right into action. So look at the particular bot we are talking about. As you can see, we have Expert Pro here and we also have Expert Pro, but the one we are going to be checking out is this particular first one. So when we right click on it, then we click on test. Okay, now it brings out this interface. The first thing we need to do here is to select our coin, and the best for most of the bots I have seen is Euro USD. This particular bot can also trade gold, it can trade GBP USD and the rest of that, but the best coin you can give it for it to trade it properly is Euro USD. Okay, then under this place we have our time frame. You can select anything, you can even select 1 hour. So let me select 1 hour. Then under this place we have date, we have custom period. Okay, so let me give it from first day of January 2024 to I don't know the particular date we are. Okay, I have seen it, that is 12. Okay, let me just say the first day of 12/01, the first day of December. Okay, so that is it. So we are testing this particular robot from the first day of January to the first day of December, right? So under forward we can just leave it at no, something like that. Then delays, latency, I will still teach you guys how to set all these things, guys. So let's leave it at 0 latency and ideal execution, and the rest of that. The leverage modeling, we leave it at 1 minute OHLC. So that is it. Then under our deposit we put 1,000 there. All right, so that is it. We have $1,000 as our deposit and we have our leverage as 1.2 leverage. So we have set up everything. Now what we need to do now is to start the bot. So that is it, guys. The bot has already been started. So that is it. Now the bot has started picking up trades. All right, so remember we are starting with $1,000. I want you guys to be looking at this particular thing, this equity. That is where I want you guys to be looking at. Remember I told you guys that at the last part of this video I am going to be giving you this bot as a bonus, and I will tell you how to get this particular bot as a bonus, guys. So that is it. Let's keep going, guys. All right, now we are having a drawdown. Look at it, look at it. We already at 800 and something from $1,000. So let's be waiting, guys. Let's be waiting. This is trading for you. You must have drawdown, okay? But the major thing is that at the end of the day you'll be profitable. So here, let me fast forward this particular thing so I don't waste much of your time. So that is it. Let me fast forward it very fast so that it will be moving very fast. So that is it. Okay, so that is it, guys. Now we are now on $1,800. okay, from $1,000, guys. So let's keep moving. Let me still fast forward more. All right, so that it will be moving extremely fast. So that is it. So that is it, guys. Now we are already on $2,000. okay, so that is it. That is it, guys. What I am showing you here, guys, is what happened on the year of 2024 with this bot. If you backtest this bot with $1,000, what it is going to do for you on 2024. All right, you know, in trading we use what has happened on the past, you know, to predict what will happen in the future. If this particular bot can trade $1,000 now to $3,700, that simply means that this bot can really do more. Remember I told you guys that I will give you the bot as a bonus. Okay, I will tell you how I'm going to give you this particular bot as a bonus. So join me, let's keep on going. All right, so that is it. Our equity is now $5,200 from $1,000, guys. Look at this, guys. Let me pause. Just take a look at this. From $1,000 it has multiplied our money up to 5 times, and the balance we have here is $5,516. This is extremely marvelous, guys. Let's continue. All right, that is it. We have already crossed over $6,000, guys. So that is it. Let me fast forward more. So guys, let me fast forward more so that it will be faster. Just keep looking at what we have over here. Keep looking at this equity, guys. Is this not marvelous? Is this not marvelous, guys? Look at it. We already at 7,900 and 900 plus dollars. We have crossed down to $8,000, guys. Okay, we are having some drawdown. Okay, that's good. So guys, at this particular point, even if you close this boat, this place, you are still in a very good profit. Okay, so let's check the point we are right now. Just take a look at this. This is on on third month, 11th of March already. These boats have traded our $1,000 down to $8,000, guys. That is $7,000 profit in just 3 months, guys. So let us continue to know what happens. So that is it. All right, now we are already in the 12th, 14th. We're already at $11,000. $11,000. This is mind blowing. I call this boat big boys boats. This is a boat for big boys. Just assign $1,000 to this boat and sleep. Then here you can see that we are already at $17,000. If I were you, look at what I'm gonna do. I am just going to withdraw like $5,000 and keep in my pocket. Whatever happens in the market is none of my business. All right, so that is it. If I slash out $5,000 from here, I'm already making $4,000 plus in my $1,000. Is this not marvelous, guys? Let's still press on play, okay, to watch what happens next. Okay, we have a drawdown. It is already at 14,000. Okay, so we are now at 20,000, guys. Just take a look at it. Take it, 26,000. Okay, all right, this is on the 4th month. Okay, on the 4th month, 11th of 4th month, 12th of 4th month, we're already at 21,000. Okay, all right, so that is it, guys. Let's be following it. This can reach 30,000. It might. Let's just be looking at what is, just take a look at it, guys. $31,000. Is this not wonderful? We are at $31,000, guys, and we are still trading it up. $33,000. Very good. All right, so that is it. Okay, so that is it, guys. Let me still fast forward it so that it will be faster. So we are already at $34,000, guys. $40,000. This is marvelous. $40,000, guys. $41,000. This is very massive. We are around $42,000 now. $50,000, guys. Just imagine this. We reached $50,000 at a point. So guys, if you left it up to that point, I think we are on the 6th month and you have $50,000. Don't you think it's very advisable for you to even close the boat because you have made much, or you can even collect some dollars from this? If I were you, I can just withdraw like $42,000 or $45,000, or even withdraw $49,000 at that point and assign $1,000 again to this boat. Right now, I'm not making any loss. I'm not in a loss. And as good as this boat is, there is no way you can be assigning $1,000 up to 50 times and it will consume all of that. All right, so in the next year, this boat can trade your $1,000 again down to $50,000. You keep making heaps of money. You are seeing it with your eyes, guys. We all know that backtesting is the true form of what will happen with a particular boat on a particular period of time. So you are seeing it with your eyes, with your full glare eyes. Remember, I told you guys that I am not gonna be selling this boat to you. I am going to be giving it to you as a bonus. At the last part of this video, I will tell you how to get this boat as a bonus. So let's continue. We click on play again. All right, so $49,000. So that is it, $49,000. $50,000, guys. Again, we have $50,000. This is mind blowing. From $1,000, guys. $50,000 from $1,000. Okay, if I were you, I would do what I just told you. I will even withdraw everything and assign $1,000 to the boat again. Okay, so that is it. We are at $47,000 on the 7th month. Okay, we are now at the 8th month. So maybe I should fast forward this more so that it doesn't waste most of the time. As you can see, we are now going back to $14, $12, and the rest of that $20. So you see, this is why you need to take profit whenever you make massive profit. Okay, you need to take some profit whenever you make massive profit. So that is it, guys. Okay, now it has gone back to $28, $20, you see, $24. All right, we are having lots of drawdown here. We are having lots of drawdown, $30, $35. This bot is very good, guys. It is very, very good. Just look at what is happening here. Look at what is happening here. I think the all-time high of this bot for the year is $50. All right, maybe it will not reach up to this again, but let's keep on watching. We are at the 11th month. Oh, $40, $38, and okay, $38, $38,000. What am I even saying? What's wrong with me? $38,000. So that is it. That is it. Okay, down to $16, $8, $1,737. So guys, you see, whenever you assign this bot to work, it is very, very important you take your profit as the bot keeps going. You know, I employ this bot so that I advise you guys on lots of things. Our bot closed with $1,737 for the 12th month. You see that? And we are still in profit. If you allow this bot to work more for the whole of the year till this date, we are still going to be in profit. All right, so it topped our $1,000 by $737, which is still a good profit. But the thing there is that when this boat made a massive profit, we saw this boat crossing all-time high profit of $50,000. At this point, what you are required to do here is just to withdraw your $50,000, then assign a fresh $1,000 to this boat to use and trade, right? So that is it, guys. If you want to get this particular boat, look at what you're gonna do. I once made a video where I showed you guys a particular boat that doubled my funds in 24 hours. So if you want to get this boat, this particular boat is just like a follow-up to it. So you watch that video, get that boat. If you get that boat, chat me up and I'm going to give you this particular boat as a bonus. This is a big boys boat. Look at what this boat did with $1,000 in the middle of the year. Now check when you employ $10,000 to this particular boat. You see that it will do a very big marvelous thing. It will take it to $500,000, which is massive. So when you get to that video, I am going to be flashing the thumbnail of that video on the screen right now, and I am going to be putting the card of that video above, and also I am going to be leaving that video as an end screen and also in the description box, so that you guys don't come to my DM like you guys used to do, telling me, boss, we did not find the video, we couldn't find the video in your channel, right? So I am going to leave it everywhere so that you don't have any excuses that you didn't find the video. Just watch the video, then buy the boat, and I am going to be giving you this one as a bonus on it. Trust me, these boats can never disappoint you, both of them, right? So that is it. That is it, guys. This is where I am going to be coming to the last part of this video. I hope this video tickles your fancy. If it did, just leave me a very nice comment on the comment section, like this video, and then make sure you subscribe to the channel, and very importantly, share this video to others, because this video might save others in their trading journey. See you guys on the next video.